So this is our chapter number 6 or unit number 6 poem Rain in Summer. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and the fairy street in the narrow lane. How beautiful is the rain. How who is clatters along the ropes like the tramp of hope. How it gushes and struggles out from the throat of the overflow spout. Across the window plan it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide. Like a river down the gutter roars the rain and the welcome rain. Do you like the rain? What do you do when it's rain? In which month of year does it rains in your area? Circle the word that names the picture. Okay, this is lane or line. Oh, this is lane. Fan or fun. This is fan. Well or wall. This is well. Duck or dock. Duck. Boy toy. Boy. Big book. Book.